The purpose of this video is to explain to you your LiveText assignment and the requirements for uploading and that sort of thing. So the first thing you see here is I'm in Blackboard and I'm on week 8, and I want to explain to you exactly what is here for your LiveText assignment. So the first thing that you see is a portfolio assessment rubric. Okay, the rubric explains how you're to go through and address each section of the reflection that's required. Okay, the last section right here where it says presentation of portfolio all pertains to LiveText. Some of it you'll do, some of it you won't. So we'll talk about that when we get into LiveText. Okay, as I scroll down, this is the area where your reflective statement will be uploaded. So when you click on here, you upload it just like any other assignment, and you attach a document. Okay, attach a document. Don't try to write that whole reflection in the submission space. Attach a Word document or PDF. All right, as you go through it, it explains to you exactly what's supposed to go into the reflective statement, and basically the reflective statement is a connection between the things that you've learned in 302 and the learning outcomes. Okay, so these are the learning outcomes, and you'll be addressing, I think, one of them. You pick one to address. Okay, so it does. It says select SLO from the list in your syllabus, type it here, make sure it's noticeable, etc., etc. So you'll pick one. You'll make sure that all these major categories are present in your reflective statement. So an opening thesis, significance of learning, analysis, link to theory, link to theology, evaluation, etc. Okay? All right, let's see what's next. Okay, I guess that's it. Let's see. I don't know why my pages are all of a sudden not quite looking right. Let me go out and then go back in. Okay, now they look like what I want them to. Okay, so we talked about the portfolio. Let's see what's down below. Okay, cool. So that's not related to the portfolio assignment, but you can take a look at that. All right, so then you have all your assignment, and it's really important that all the previous submissions that you've had for Activity 1, Activity 2, and this week's Activity 3 and 4, and all the documents, the data sheets, the observation sheets, the what do you call it? The evaluation form from your fieldwork teacher. All of those need to be compiled into one document. Okay, so you can scan them all into a Word document. You can scan them all into a PDF, but they all have to be in one file. If you have difficulty with that, give me a call in the office and we can talk about it, okay? Or we can do an online meeting and I can help you with it, but it's important that it's one file, okay? You're going to upload that one file twice, okay? 2 times. The first time will be right here where it says Portfolio Reflection Assignment, and then the second place will be in LiveText, okay? So you'll go to livetext.com, LiveText.com, and you'll log in. Let's see, which is what I started to do a while ago. Let's see. Use your, see, that was username, see password. And then you log in, and it should take you to your welcome page. Okay, you're going to click on Documents, and then you're going to create a new document. In the folder, you're going to locate California Baptist General, and you're going to scroll down to Portfolio. You're going to choose a template, and you have to scroll all the way near the bottom, and you're going to find School of Ed Portfolio. Okay. Ignore these links. No, excuse me. Ignore this over here because they are not active links. That's just information. So don't worry about it for right now. So save as a new document. Oops, I'm sorry. We do have to put a title. So let's put a title. Your name. And you can leave the description blank. Click Save as a new document. Ooh, I hope it doesn't take as long for you guys to have it upload. Okay. Then when you get to this page, this is your welcome page. Okay. You should edit. This is part of one of the that last element of the rubric that I said we would talk about when we got to LiveText. So you want to edit and you want to type in your just a brief introduction, nothing extensive, 3 or 4 sentences is just fine. Okay, and you click Save and Finish. Come over here to Prerequisite because that's the category that our EDU 302 assignment is in, Prerequisite, and you scroll down until you see EDU 302 Growth, Learning, and Development. When you see that, you edit. Okay. From this area, you're going to go to Insert Files. You're going to upload a file. And for our purposes, I'm just going to find something on my desktop that I can put in this place. Let's see. Let's put a training schedule. I think we can do that safely there. All right, so it's loading, and then it's present. Okay, if you make a mistake, we've got a remove button. It lets you know you did it successfully with completed. Then you can click Save and Finish. Once you click Save and Finish, scroll down to 302 again, and you will see your file in this area. And I want to say that should be it. Okay, so those are the things that I want you to be concerned about. Just uploading that LiveText assignment and putting a brief welcome on the page. All right, once you do that, from my faculty view, I'll be able to go in and review your assignments. It'll automatically just come up into my queue. Okay, again, give me a call if you have any questions here in the office, or send me an email or a Twitter message.